Hi, everyone. My name is Carrie Kipnis. 5 years from now, I envision working within a harm reduction agency that advocates for the rights and safety of individuals who use substances and individuals that engage in sex work. Particularly, I envision providing public health education and/or being involved in the program and service development for this sort of organization. Um, in this position, adopting a sex positive framework will have immediate applicability and relevance to the individuals that will be served. Many of the individuals that would seek services or support from an agency like this will have experienced likely erotophobia from medical and behavioral health professionals in the past, especially if they are those who engage in sex work. So, if I'm the person responsible for orchestrating a system that aims to provide non judgmental and affirming sexuality education, sexual and reproductive health education, peer support services, and access to general resources that will make tools such as condoms, education, and peer support more accessible, will affirm these individuals and challenge the negative attitudes about sex that probably pervade their lives on a daily basis. And also considering the intersectionality between behaviors such as substance use, sex work, racism, cisgenderism, sexism, etc. All of the things that we discussed in this course will be challenged by having an affirming agency. So, final burning question that I have about this class, and I've read some material in the text that alludes to self disclosure, but I specifically want to know how much self disclosure is acceptable in certain circumstances related to sexuality. It feels like it might be appropriate to maybe discuss generally things such as sexual identity. With our clients, but are there certain sexuality topics that should not be discussed from a point of self disclosure? Thank you, everyone. This has been a great class.